Here we're being given a parabola. This is something that if we were to FOIL it out and distribute the minus a, we would get something in the ax squared plus bx plus c format. Even if it's got a lot of variables in it, we still know it's a parabola. If we're being asked for the maximum value, that means it's a downward opening parabola, because a downward opening parabola is going to have a maximum value to it. An upward opening parabola is going to have a minimum value to it. In any case, the max and the min are code for the vertex, which would be negative b over 2a. But here it's not convenient to do that because it's not in an ABC's format yet. So it's also the average of the zeros. And the zeros are what you get, are the x-intercepts. So they're what you get when y equals 0. So we'll set y equals to 0 like this. Now we have the zero product rule that basically says if those two parentheses are equal to 0, then you can set each one. The zero product rule says that those two parentheses multiply together and give you a 0, then that must mean that one of them is 0. So you set each independent one equal to 0, and you get your two values. Here you'd get negative 12, here you'd get 36, and the average of the zeros is going to be the minus 12 plus the 36 all over 2. So add them up and divide by 2, 24 over 2, which is 12. So if we were asked for the x value of the vertex, it's 12. But here, they're not asking you for the x, they're asking you for the y, because the x is where you should look. So if the question said, where should you look to find the x value, or where should you look to find the vertex, that would be x. But if they're saying what is the actual vertex, which is kind of how they're saying it here, that's the y. So that's going to be like f of 12, or in this case, it's going to be h of 12, which is minus a, 12 plus 12, 12 minus 36. So you have minus a times 24 times negative 24. And that's giving you negative a times negative 576. So it comes out to positive 576a, which is answer choice D here.